Hi friends, welcome to CNR English Academy. Today Sunday special இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது part 2 related to PGTRB full units MCQs பார்க்க போகிறோம். அப்படி part 1 பார்க்காதவங்க நான் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் லிங்க் கொடுக்குறேன் பாருங்கள். Okay, move on to the first question. Chaucer wrote in which of the following dialects? The options are Northern English, East Midlands, West Midlands, Southeastern. And the correct option is option B, East Midlands. Next question. The concluding line of Spenserian stanza is called. The options are octave, sestet, spondee, alexandrine. And the correct option is option D, alexandrine. Move on to the next question. Which of the following poems of Chaucer is considered the first novel in English? The options are The Book of the Duchess, The House of Fame, The Parliament of Fowls, Troilus and Cressida. And the correct option is Troilus and Cressida. Move on to the next question. What kind of work is Samson Agonist? And the options are verse play, epic, lyrical, drama. The correct answer is verse play. Move on to the next question. One of the following poets was nicknamed the Lady of Christ by his fellow undergraduates. Spot the correct name of the poet. And the options are Milton, Spenser, Shakespeare, Marlowe. And the correct answer is option A, Milton. Move on to the next question. Dusa is the character in, and the options are Milton, Marlowe, Chaucer, Spenser. And the correct answer is Chaucer. Next question. Who wrote New Criticism? Options are I.A. Richards, Alan Tate, T.S. Eliot, John Crowe Ransom. And the correct option is John Crowe Ransom. Next question. Samson's strength was in the dash, hair, thigh, arm, eyes. And the correct answer is hair. Next question. The Red Cross Knight represents the dash faith. The options are Protestant, Catholic, Roman Catholic, none of these. The correct option is option A, Protestant. Move on to the next question. The good things that belong to adversity are to be, and the options are wished, admired, followed, liked. The correct option is admired. Next question is Alonso, the king of dash. The options are Ireland, Venice, Naples, Milan. The correct option is Naples. Move on to the next question. Which of the following works has not written by Marlowe? The options are Coriolanus, The Jew of Malta, Edward XI, Hero and Leander. So the correct option is Coriolanus. Move on to the next question. What is the new classical age? The options are 1660 to 1798, 1552 to 1766, 1555 to 1666, 1662 to 1788. And the right option is option A, 1660 to 1798. The next question. When Dr. Faustus asks Mephistopheles to change his shape, he appears in the form of, the options are fish, snake, ghost, friar. The correct option is option D, friar. Move on to the next question. Ben Jonson was an English poet and dash. The options are critic, playwright, counselor, courtier. The correct option is option B, playwright. The next question is, how many acts are in Ben Jonson's The Alchemist? The options are 2, 4, 5, 3. And the correct option is option C, 5. Move on to the next question. What abbreviation does for Eliot TS stand for? The options are Tom Stanley, Thomas Steve, Thomas Stearns, Thomas Steele. And the correct option is option C, Thomas Stearns. Next question. T.S. Eliot was awarded U.S. Presidential Medal of Freedom in. The options are 1964, 1965, 1966, 1967. And the correct option is 1964. Move on to the next question. Who composed the poem with the title Village Song? The options are Sarojini Naidu, Girish Karnad, Rabindranath Tagore, none of these. The correct option is option A, Sarojini Naidu. Move on to the next question. Which statement is not correct? And the options are Eliot is a great romantic poet, Prufrock is a Latforgan poem, Eliot owes a lot to metaphysical poets, Eliot is charged with obscurity work. And the correct option is option A, Eliot is a great romantic poet. Move on to the next question. Tagore is called a poet of mankind by. The options are Robert Frost, Dr. Radhakrishnan, Alexander Philippoid, Sarojini Naidu. And the correct option is option C, Alexander Philippoid. Move on to the next question. W.B. Yeats' most favorite song in Geetanjali is. The options are song number 4, song number 5, song number 6, song number 7. The correct option is option D, song number 7. The next question. Flower in Geetanjali is a symbol of. The options are religion, worship, godly power, love and devotion. The correct option is option D, love and devotion. Move on to the next question. How many parts are there in To the Lighthouse? The options are only 1, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts. The correct option is option C, 3 parts. Move on to the next question. What does Mr. Ramsay fear that he will never get to? The options are the letter R, the letter S, the letter Z, the letter F. The correct option is option A, the letter R. Move on to the next question. Among the following, who is not primarily playwright? And this is the question which is asked in PGTRB 2002. And the options are Chaucer, Marlowe, Webster, Dekker. And the correct option is option A, Chaucer. Next question. Who is the pilgrim's host at the inn in Prologue to the Canterbury Tales? And this is the question which was asked in the PGTRB in the year 2017. And the options are Harry Bailey, Harry Blamires, Nathan Bailey, John Bailey. And the correct option is Harry Bailey. And then the next question is, before his damnation, what is the last wish made by Dr. Faustus concerning his soul? This is also the question which was asked in PGTRB in the year of 2013. And the options are Dr. Faustus wishes he had no soul like animals. May his soul go to heaven, may his soul rest in peace. He should not have rebirth. And the correct option is Dr. Foster's wishes he had no soul like animals. Move on to the next question. Congreve's The Way of the World is a comedy of, and this is the question asked in the year 2013 in PGTRB. The options are manners, humors, errors, relations, and the correct option is option A, manners. Move on to the next question. The Way of the World was first acted in, and this question was asked 2017 in PGTRB. The options are 1700, 1699, 1701, 1710. And the correct option is option A, 1700. Move on to the next question. Bliss was it in that dawn to be alive, but to be young was very heaven. What do these lines of Wordsworth suggest? The options are about the childhood, about the French Revolution, about the old age, none of these. And the correct option is option B, about the French Revolution. The next question. Shelley was expelled from the University College, Oxford, because of his. The options are Prometheus Unbound, The Necessity of Atheism, Queen Mab, Alastor. And the right option is option B, The Necessity of Atheism. Move on to the next question. Burlesque, parody and travesty. What is common among these three forms, these terms? And the options are the literary forms originated by a common writer, or various forms of satire, commonly occur in the novel alone, none of these. And the correct option is option B, or various forms of satire. Move on to the next question. The coffee house culture flourished in. The options are the early 18th century, 19th century, 17th century, none of these. The correct option is option B, 19th century. Move on to the next question. The heroic couplet was first used by. The options are Dryden, Pope, Chaucer, Spenser. And the correct option is option C, Chaucer. Move on to the next question. Hopkins' sprung rhythm is. The options are one that contains a specific number of stressed syllables and varying number of unstressed one. Called so far it runs like a coach of the spring. Both A and B. None of these. And the correct option is option C, both A and B. Move on to the next question. The 20th century is still the 19th, although it may in time acquired its own character. And the options are T.S. Eliot, G.B. Shah, Ezra Pound, none of these. And the correct option is option A, T.S. Eliot. Move on to the next question. Who is the most translated author in the world? And the options are Tolstoy, Lenin, Agatha Christie, Mo Si Ung. And the correct option is option B, Lenin. Move on to the next question. When was Mulkraj Anand's novel Untouchable published? And the options are 1934, 1935, 1936, 1937. Correct option is option B, 1935. Move on to the next question. Who is the editor of 10 20th century Indian poets? The options are Shiv K. Kumar, V. K. Gokak, Nizam Ezekiel, R. Parthasarathi. And the correct option is R. Parthasarathi. And then move on to the next question. Poetry is more philosophical and of a higher value than history, was said by. The options are Aristotle, T.S. Eliot, W.B. Yeats, Byron. And the correct option is option A, Aristotle. Move on to the next question. who are known as Lake District poets. Tick the odd one out, and the options are Wordsworth, Shelley, Coleridge, Southey. And the correct option is option B, Shelley. Move on to the next question. The following lines are from dash poem. Seasons of mist and below fruitfulness, close boom friend of the maturing sun. And the options are Ode to Spring, Ode to Autumn, To Blossoms, Our Casuarina Tree. The correct option is option B, Ode to Autumn. Move on to the next question. What do you understand by term plagiarist? And the options are producers of plays, one who passes off as one's own what has been written by other, a tragic comedy epic. And the correct option is option B, one who passes off as one's own what has been written by other. Move on to the next question. What was the nationality of a famous English author Oscar Wilde? And the options are French, Italian, German, Irish. And the correct option is option D, Irish. Move on to the next question. Who wrote the following lines? The desire of the mood of the star of the night for the morrow. The devotion to something afar from the sphere of our borrow. And the options are Shelley, Byron, Yeats, Hopkins. And the correct option is option A, Shelley. Move on to the next question. Frailty, the name is woman, or from which famous Shakespeare play? The options are Hamlet, Tempest, As You Like It, King Lear. And the correct option is option A, Hamlet. The next question. Which Aristotle Poetics translation is considered classic? The options are Ingram by Waits, Butcher, Yeats, Eliot. The correct option is Ingram by Waits. Move on to the next question. The quotation that which we call a rose by any other name would smell as sweet. The options are Hamlet, Othello, Romeo and Juliet, Tempest. The right option is option C, Romeo and Juliet. Move on to the last question. Which one is the play by T.S. Eliot? Options are Ash Wednesday, Hollow Men, Wasteland, Family Reunion. And the correct option is option D, Family Reunion. Okay friends, up to this, I thought you enjoyed this much of questions from unit 1 to 10. இதே மாதிரி ஒரு நல்ல 50 செட்ஸ் ஆஃப் கொஸ்டின்ஸோட நான் உங்களை அடுத்த சண்டே ஸ்பெஷலில் மீட் பண்ணுறேன். Until then, thank you friends. Thanks for listening.